Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how you can use Mentimeter for voting, meaning how you can create a poll. Now let's go create a new presentation in here, and we're going to add a new slide in here, okay? And our new slide, if you want to create a poll, it can be multiple things actually. It can be a multiple choice, it can be a ranking, or it can be even like a question and answer, okay? Or 100 points. But most of you are going to be looking for the multiple choice, slide in here. And now it's very simple, guys. You just have to write your question in here. So this could be your question. And this could be your options, right? You have option 1, 2, and 3, which you can rename in here. Okay? This is very easy. So you can rename them in here, and you can even add a picture if you would like to, okay? From your computer or your library. Very importantly, guys, you can modify the visualization type, okay? So you can select like a donut, a pie, or dots. And it's going to look very, very different depending on what you like. Now, you can also choose the correct answer. This is going to do, this is going to reveal them as you hover on them. And you can even select multiple options as correct. Okay, so yep, that's pretty much it. Just make sure to edit this right and make it look beautiful. Thanks so much.